We were at a position where we wanted a rebranding, but our hospital district had some things that we needed to take care of within the community, and one of that was trust. And the trust of the community is what we wanted back, and we wanted someone such as ThriveFuel to help us with that mission. And so once we onboarded ThriveFuel, we knew from the beginning the positive things that were taking place because we received positive information from the community, and we were able to rebrand and focus on all the aspects of the hospital, from the wellness center all the way through to the ER. The different aspects that we offer, such as services to the community, we wanted to make sure that our community knew we were there and we could be trusted. There was an increase in patients and patient satisfaction. One of the things that we noticed off the bat was the fact that patients could navigate through all the services that we provided. They were able to find services that they needed, and the increase in patients alone within our hospital system, the utilization of, and also in our clinic, the increase in patients, it's almost like they knew their providers. They knew what to expect before they walked in the door. So with the rebranding and focusing on the individuals that provide care there, which are our providers, our doctors, our nurse practitioners, we were able to educate the community before they walked in the door to know that they were going to be taken care of. And that is our goal. And our mission of "we treat you well" is something that we stand by. And with that addition of your services at ThriveFuel, we were able to do that. When you have the branding behind you and that trust behind you that ThriveFuel has created for us, we were able to increase revenue within our clinical system and also our outpatient services. And by having that knowledge and information given to our community, and also being able to focus and track on the different numbers that were coming into each department, it's a proven fact that ThriveFuel helped us during this process in making sure that our revenue did increase in the number of years that we've been associated and partners with ThriveFuel. I would like to recommend ThriveFuel to other business owners, and the reason being is because not only are they a trusted source for our hospital system, through the years you gain friendships and you can count on them when you are in need. If there's a sudden change or need in a marketing effort, we can pick up the phone, we can call, and that alone in itself is so important. When you're a very busy hospital system and you have to make changes immediately, you know that the ThriveFuel team is going to be there. In reference to the COVID era, we had to rely on ThriveFuel for immediate assistance as things were changing. None of us were prepared for what was happening or about to happen. And so with the education to the community as well as education to the staff, we were able to depend on ThriveFuel to make immediate changes to get information out to individuals. And we know that with the information and the trust that we have within ThriveFuel, that we were able to get out information that possibly saved people's lives. And so we are very grateful. We were grateful at that time to have ThriveFuel in that emergent need. Through hurricanes, through other natural disasters, we've had to rely on the team to turn around information almost immediately, they stop what they do and they bring their team together and they make sure that the hospital system is taken care of first and foremost.